Hey there, my name is Ferris. I'm a master technician here at Midland Honda. Here to check out this 2019 Honda CR-V. Stock number is 24-008A. I'm going to do a quick walk around of the vehicle. The vehicle is very clean, as you can tell. Let me have a look at the interior. Extremely clean inside as well. And the vehicle currently has 104,553 kilometers on it. And here we have a look under the hood. So all the services and maintenance are completed on the vehicle. Everything is servicing up to date. Here we have a look at your tires. They look to be in amazing shape. Pretty much 100% on these guys. And here we have a look at the brakes. They look to be in good shape as well. Here we have a look at the front end components. Everything is in good shape over here. There's no playing any of the ball joints, tie rods, or spare bar links. And here's a look under the vehicle. The undercarriage does look very clean as well. Thanks for checking out this 2019 Honda CR-V. Again, the stock number is 24-008A.